Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Nilesh. In this video, I am going to explain what is internal energy. Without wasting your time, let's begin. The basic definition of internal energy is it is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of all molecules in a substance. We can get this definition through a simple example, that is, when particles in matter they move in a different ways or different direction. If they move from one place to another, we call translational motion. If they rotate, we call rotational motion. If they vibrate, we call vibrational motion. So all these type of motion plus potential energy which contribute overall energy of a substance. Now temperature is defined by translational motion. How? When we heat the water, then temperature of water gradually increases, which means that temperature of molecules of water gradually increases. As temperature increases, velocity of molecules also increases, which leads that translational motion. Now, internal energy can define precisely. That is, internal energy is nothing but it is a grand total of all the energy inside a substance. That is, translational kinetic energy of colliding molecules, rotational kinetic energy of rotating molecules, vibrational kinetic energy of vibrating molecules, and finally potential energy due to pores between the molecules. So, substance doesn't contain heat, it contains internal energy. When a substance absorbs or gives off heat, then internal energy of the substance increases or decreases. Now we consider two things in thermal contact. Then heat flows from higher temperature substance to a lower temperature substance. And here's the important thing. It is not necessary to flow of heat from a substance with more internal energy to a substance with less internal energy. That is, when we consider a bowl of warm water in one hand, in another hand we have a spoon of hot water. So there is more internal energy in a bowl of warm water than there is in a spoon of hot water. If we immerse a spoon of hot water into a bowl of warm water, then heat flows from a spoon of hot water to a bowl of warm water and not other way around. So heat itself never flows from lower temperature substance into a higher temperature substance. Now interesting thing about internal energy is how much heat flows depends not only on the temperature difference between the substances but also on the amount of material as well. For example, if we consider a bucket full of hot water in one hand, in another hand we have a cup full of hot water. So a bucket full of hot water gives more heat to the cooler object than the cup full of hot water. So there is more internal energy in the larger volume of the water. Now we can take another example. If you consider two beakers, if you consider two identical beakers with different ratio of water, then if we apply or if we add same quantity of heat to both the beakers, then temperature rise in the beaker with less amount of water. It is due to the less number of molecules. I hope you got the internal energy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.